Glad to report it's not Dover. Sad to report it's TR. That used to be Dover. Okay, honestly, I prefer this. It's okay. Whoa, that was weird. Nice cabs. The 1101 Stewart Avenue, I believe. There is a camera. See if we get the other one. I heard it. Sounds like it's going down, so that's actually good, so it's gonna show up. These are Dover. The buttons don't really fit on quickly. I think the other one's better. Elevator inspection. LCD elevators maintaining it. These are nice. Still doing social distancing in this building. It's a medical building, so. Then the hydraulics are loud going down on this one. Blob. Welcome. And there goes, I already got my pick, so that's it.